I was so overwhelmed by the number of people that commented under my Haaka versus Elvie Curve video asking for an Elvie Curve video versus the Ladybug Haaka. So guys, you asked and I shall deliver. First impression, guys, I'm not gonna lie. When I got this in the mail, I was surprised at how small it is. If anything, it feels like it's more to be compared against the Elvie Catch rather than the Elvie Curve. However, I believe it's made strictly to operate like the Elvie Curve. But first thoughts on it, what do you guys think? First thoughts, what do you guys think? I will tell you that it's a lot more flimsier from just looking at it, and how it's all made out of silicone and it's a lot lighter, whereas this guy, it's a lot more sturdy and shapes, weight. Definitely the Haaka Ladybug is a lot smaller. The shape is definitely different. So you're wondering, does this Haaka serve the same way as the Elvie Curve does? Guys, this is gonna be short and sweet. No, it doesn't. You try to create suction. This thing is flimsy. It barely creates suction. If you manage to be lucky enough to create that suction, it does fall off pretty much immediately. It can't take any milk weight and retain its suction. It's gonna fall off. You're gonna end up with a lot of spilled milk, especially if you wanna use this with no bra on. So if you wanna use this, it's more, in my opinion, gonna be used like the Elvie Catch. But if you wanna use it like the Elvie Catch, the shape of it is not really conducive to be in a bra. And it's not, in my opinion, it's just too flimsy. You're gonna end up with spilled milk in any way. If you move the wrong way or do something that this doesn't expect it coming, it's just gonna go everywhere. So if you're gonna use it the same way as the Elvie Catch, I would just get the Elvie Catch, because the Elvie Catch, it's made for that. Okay, and it's made to retain your milk. It's very strategic in where the hole is, very strategic in having a small enough hole where you're not gonna end up spilling. Don't use it as an Elvie Catch. It's not gonna be as good as an Elvie Catch. Remember, with the Elvie Catch, you're paying $39.99 and getting two, so each one is 20 bucks. I paid 17 bucks for this, so $3 more and get this. But to operate as the Elvie Curve, barely creates suction, so you're not gonna get that good suction. You're not gonna get that milk out as much as you would want to, and you cannot use this without a bra. This creates a lot better suction. It sits in place. And again, I can show you this on my fake boobie if you guys let me know in the comments in the description box below. But this creates a suction. You can, like I said in the Elvie versus Haaka, the traditional Haaka video, you can customize the suction here. So if you get too strong or you want to let go of some air, you can do it here. This you can't. Yes, this is $49.99, but you're getting so much more, like I've already indicated. And this doesn't have the measurements like the Elvie Curve does. The Elvie Curve has measurements on here for you, whereas the Haaka Ladybug does not. So I don't want this video to go on forever, you guys. Yes, this is 17 bucks, but $49.99, you're getting something that actually creates suction. You're getting something that actually holds on to your boob, and you actually know that you're not gonna get any spilling with this. I hope this was helpful. Again, if you want to see the full review on this, check out the Elvie versus Haaka pump video. But yeah, if you're curious about this being comparable to this, it's not really. And to me, it feels like it's an almost in-between product between the Elvie Curve and the Elvie Catch, and I wouldn't use it. Yeah. I really hope you found this helpful, since a lot of you asked for this video. Thank you guys for watching. You are awesome. And remember to be a shark.